guys, I'm Alex Francke, Miss Kentucky, and over the years I've been involved in the Miss America organization. I've earned over $38,000 to further my education. And speaking of education, one of my favorite things I get to do as Miss Kentucky is to go out and teach agriculture science experiments and demonstrations on the Mobile Science Activity Center with the Kentucky Department of Ag. Now, the Mobile Science Activity Center is pretty fun, so I think you guys ought to see it for yourselves. Today, we're going to be making our own bouncy balls out of corn plastic, but we'll need to teleport there first. Are you ready? Teleporting in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to the Mobile Science Activity Center. I'm Miss Kentucky.
I'm Miss Brandy.
And today we are going to be making one of my favorite experiments, which is making our own bouncy balls. Now, Miss Brandy, what are we making our bouncy balls out of today?
Corn.
Corn? We're going to be making all of our bouncy balls actually out of agricultural products. And corn is one of our largest grain crops that we produce here in the state of Kentucky. So I guess you could say our bouncy balls are going to be Kentucky proud.
Yes, you can.
We'll be using cornstarch, corn oil, water, and some ice that we'll need later in our experiment. Make sure you have an adult with you for this one because you definitely can't manage this one on your own. I know I can't. Let's go ahead and get started with a Ziploc bag. The first step is to put in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Pour them in 2.
Yes, and then we're going to add another one for a total of 2.
Now the important thing is here, guys, is to level them off. Make sure it stays level. Use a popsicle stick or something like that to get that done.
Exactly. We kind of want to be exact with this one.
Yes.
Now we're going to put in 6 drops of our corn oil. We've got it in this cute little dropper, but as long as you can get 6 drops, you should be good to go. We're going to now add in our water. How much water are we putting in today?
It's a 1/8 of a cup.
1/8 of a cup of water. So now I'm going to seal it up, and I'm actually going to massage out all the little lumps so that I can kind of make sure it all gets mixed together, and it should look like milk when it's done, right?
That's what the kids say all the time.
Exactly. So now I've got it mixed up, we're going to add a color. And today, of course, I picked blue because I love the Wildcats. So 4 drops of just regular food coloring. And we don't have to seal it back up, but we need to mix up our color. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We are going to be putting our bag into the microwave. So you're going to set it in the microwave just like this. You're going to lay it down flat and fold it over so nothing spills out. You're going to put it in there for 30 seconds. And Miss Brandy, what happens when we put it in the microwave?
Well, it goes from a liquid to a solid.
How cool! We turn from a liquid into a solid, and we get to shape it into our bouncy ball.
Yes, you open it, turn it inside out like a shirt, so it kind of peels off, kind of like a fruit roll-up. Then you start forming, kind of like a stress ball at first.
So once it comes out of the microwave, it has to sit in an ice bath for at least 2 or 3 minutes, right? The longer it sits, the better it'll be.
Yes.
Once she forms it, molds it, and shapes it, it'll turn into a bouncy ball just like this. But it needs to sit for at least 10 hours. Usually overnight is a good amount of time. And then you're going to have your very own bouncy ball that you can play with. So I can't wait to figure out what types of bouncy balls you all made, what kinds of colors, what shapes. Make sure you let us know in the comments below, and we can't wait to see you guys again on the Mobile Science Activity Center. Thank you for tuning in to the Miss America organization for my agricultural science demonstration today. If you decide to try this at home, be sure to snap a photo and post using the hashtag MissAmericaHowTo. You can follow me on Instagram at MissAmericaKY, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media handles at Miss America and the YouTube channel for more lessons brought to you by the class of 2020. Have fun making some corny plastic.